Ways of saying yes. Absolutely. Would you like to come with us to the beach this weekend? Absolutely. Definitely. Can you come to my birthday party next week? Definitely. Sure thing. Can you help me move next weekend? Sure thing. You bet. Do you want to grab a drink after work? You bet. Of course. Would you mind picking up some groceries on your way home? Of course. Yes, please. Would you like another slice of cake? Yes, please. I'd be happy to. Could you give me a ride to the airport tomorrow? I'd be happy to. That sounds great. Do you want to go to the movies tonight? That sounds great. No problem. Can you cover my shift at work tomorrow? No problem. I'm in. Do you want to join our book club? I'm in.